Sulfur is a macronutrient that's essential to healthy plant growth and development. It's also widely used to manage soil pH. Degradable elemental sulfur fertilizers are a low-cost, high-analysis option that's been around for decades. But did you know that for plants to absorb elemental sulfur, it must first be converted to sulfate? This is done courtesy of beneficial microbes in the soil. But a few things need to happen first. Degradable elemental sulfurs are made with two key ingredients: purified elemental sulfur and premium bentonite clay. The clay is mixed into liquid molten sulfur and formed into pastilles, perfectly sized to work in fertilizer blends. This dry fertilizer can be fall or spring applied. It's typically broadcast, but can also be banded. The clay absorbs moisture and begins to swell. This initiates a physical process that will force the sulfur to break into extremely fine particles. A premium bentonite clay, like the kind found in Keg 90 and Keg 85, provides superior absorption and swelling characteristics. This results in a more complete and more consistent breakdown. The smaller the elemental particles become, the better, as it creates more surface area for beneficial microbes to feast on. As the sulfur is digested by the microbes, it is oxidized and converted into plant-available sulfate. Not all of the sulfur is converted at once. It takes place throughout the growing season, ensuring a steady supply of slow-release sulfate sulfur to the crop. On average, 30 to 40% of elemental sulfur applied will be converted per season. The rest is banked in the soil for future crops. To learn more, visit kegriver.com.